This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the VIN and the Mercedes paint data plate. This saves time and prevents guessing. First, crouch at the driver door, open it, and read the sticker on the door jamb. It often shows the paint code labeled paint or a short numeric code. If you don't see it there, check the dashboard near the windshield, your registration, or the owner's manual for the VIN. Once found, write the code down exactly. Small differences matter when matching color. Once you have the code, confirm it by cross-referencing official Mercedes paint charts or a reliable parts catalog. This avoids confusion from similar names. You'll want to check for prefixes such as DB or A and note alternate numeric formats. These indicate specific formulations. Next, inspect a hidden panel like inside the trunk or under the hood for a sample area to compare. Make sure the code matches the visual sample in daylight. You finish by ordering paint using the exact Mercedes code and specified finish: touch-up bottle, spray can, or mixed automotive lacquer. Once the paint arrives, perform a test application on an inconspicuous panel and let it cure fully. Color can shift slightly as solvents evaporate. If the match looks off, make sure to recheck the code and whether the original was metallic, pearl, or matte, and confirm the surface preparation. Often mismatches come from wrong finish type or poor prep rather than the code itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.